Do you hesitate before speaking? Do you replay what you said, worrying how others judged you? Do opinions from others feel heavier than they should? This fear isn't random. In this video, we explain why you fear judgment, using psychology and neuroscience to show what's happening inside the brain, in simple, easy language. Fear of judgment is a survival response. Humans evolved to live in groups. In early survival, acceptance meant safety, rejection meant danger. The brain still treats judgment as a threat, even in modern life. The amygdala scans for social danger. Judgment triggers fear, anxiety, self-consciousness. The brain reacts as if your safety is at risk, even when it isn't. Childhood and being watched. Growing up with criticism, high expectations, public correction teaches the brain being seen is dangerous. This belief quietly follows you into adulthood. The inner observer. Fear of judgment creates an inner observer. Instead of being present, the mind watches itself, monitors behavior, filters authenticity. This constant self-monitoring increases anxiety and blocks expression. Social comparison and the brain. Comparison intensifies fear of judgment. The brain constantly asks, "Am I enough? Do I measure up?" Social media amplifies this loop, making judgment feel constant and unavoidable. Prefrontal cortex and over-control. The prefrontal cortex tries to protect you by controlling behavior. This leads to overthinking words, avoiding risks, staying silent. Safety feels better than expression. Fear of judgment versus self-awareness. Self-awareness helps growth. Fear of judgment restricts identity. Self-awareness, I can learn from feedback. Fear of judgment, I must not be seen making mistakes. One builds confidence, the other builds fear. How fear of judgment shows up. Common signs include avoiding attention, fear of public speaking, people-pleasing, difficulty sharing opinions, anxiety after social interactions. These are learned protection strategies. Calming the brain's fear of judgment. You don't remove fear by forcing confidence. You calm it by creating safety. Allow imperfection. Reduce self-monitoring. Practice small visibility. Separate opinions from identity. Build self-trust gradually. Safety rewires the brain. To summarize, fear of judgment is a brain-based survival response. The amygdala reacts to social threat. Childhood experiences shape sensitivity to being seen. Safety and self-trust reduce fear. You're not weak. Your brain learned to protect you. If this video resonated with you, like the video, subscribe to PsycAcademy. Comment, what judgment do you fear the most? Understanding fear is the first step to freedom.